Hi guys. I hope you guys doing great, doing well, that kind of stuff. Sorry I didn't post any videos last couple of days because my child was very sick and he's still sick. So I will make a video soon. So I didn't forget about you guys. I just need to know that I was very busy with a sick child of mine. So I'm still busy with the sick child. So yeah, I will make a video of an update that how it goes, how we doing, that kind of stuff. Yes, but soon I will make a video. Soon. Then I will post a lot of videos, that kind of stuff. So yeah. So stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah. Bye.